Hello and welcome to my channel. I would like to show you a little update of my lily collection. Smaller ones and taller ones are already started to flower. This is Thea hybrid Battalion. Lilium Regale album. It's beautiful and it smells very nice. This is a new one for me. It's called The Freak. This one is an older cultivar. It's no longer available. It's called Orange Electric. This orange one is called Persona Grata. This orange one is my seedling. This is another seedling of mine. This is a research plot of TA hybrid Night Rider. Look at this beautiful orange color. This is also an older cultivar. It's called Giraffe. No, I'm sorry, it's called Graffiti. This is the normal colored form of Lilium Regale. You can see that it has pink buds and pink outside, while the album is fully white. This one is Tiger Babies. It was introduced by Judith Freeman. This is Pixels mix. This is the opening flowers of Must See. They later turned to this beautiful orange color, which I hope you can see. This cultivar is called Tribal Dance. It has this beautiful tango color, tango markings with the cream yellow and then this apricot pink edge. Very nice. Anne-Marie's Dream. This should be Levy, but it's a different cultivar. Snowdon. Trogon, Purple Dream, Orange Summer, and Easy Vanilla, Strawberry Event, Yellow County. This looks like the tetraplate version of what's that cultivar? Pollyanna. This one is Pearl Francis. This is one of my favorites, Golden Stone. This is another favorite of mine, Purple Marble, and you can see that there are dark purple marbling on the tepals. This is a lily mixture. It has beautiful orange, white, yellow, pink flowers. This one's called Happy Memories. Trendy Havana, still going very nicely. Tiny Parrot. This is one of my seedlings. It's a tetraploid. Another one of my seedlings. Apricot fish still very nice. This will be a very nice stem. This smaller one is called Silt, Mandarin Star, Easy Whisper, Pink County, Bentley, it's a nice double one. This one's called Blackstone, Orange Ton, Easy Waltz. This should be a double, but no, I'm sorry. It shouldn't be a double. It looks like what it should look like. It will have a lot of buds. Beautiful corsage, hundreds of flowers. Forever Marjoline, Blackstone, an older plant. This one's called Trezor. The red one is called Ducati. Lots of buds on the OT hybrids. This is also Forever Marjoline. This is a very nice one, Trendy Santo Domingo. It also has this marking, tango marking with a pink tip. And this one is Tiny Double U and Tiny Double Dutch. Tiny Double Dutch is a bit more fuller flower. This is also very nice. It's called Tiny Diamond, Tiny Lion, the orange one is Tiny Invader, Tiny Orange Sensation. Oh no, this is Tiny Ink, I'm sorry. This is Tiny Ink and this is Tiny Lion. Tiny Rocket, Tiny Ranger. This one is Tropical Joy, and you can see there's an orange spot at the base of the tepal. This one's Charlotte's Joy, and this is a TA hybrid. It's a new one and it's called Downtown. Orange Cocotte. This should be Double Trouble, but in the first year it might not be double. Many flowers will be. You can see the weeds are dying down. I applied a herbicide. This one's called Predosa. It's an LA hybrid. Very nice. It's pink. It's also an LA hybrid. I just have to find a name tag because I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's called Lemberg. So this one's Lemberg. White County. I really love the green nectaries. It's so beautiful. And the virus in a lily. Once again, the smaller ones. Tropical Joy, Tiny Comfort, Tiny Lion, Tiny Ink. Oh, and this one is also looks good. Trendy Nicosia. These will be flowering a little bit later. This one looks nice. It's Longiflorum, Formosanum Price. My yucca is flowering. The lily trio looks amazing. This plant was sold as an Oriental hybrid, and you can clearly see it's an LA hybrid, so this happens from time to time and it's very annoying. Now I would like to show you something special. This is a North American hybrid called Roter Spion. I believe it's a cultivar made by Norgard Marchinke. And this one is Fusion, and it's huge. You can see how many flowers there are on a stem. Beautiful. It's a hybrid of Longiflorum and Pardalinum. And it's taller than me. Beautiful. So that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you like my content, you can like and subscribe or leave a comment. And see you next time. Goodbye.